Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to explain something about how to create a remix. A remix is a lot of activities in the same platform or in the same picture that you can share with your students. First, you just have to look on Google and you find Genially, because this is the tool that I used. And then you can sign up with your email address, and that is going to be easier for you. You can go here or here to create your interactive image. So here you are just going to create one. It is going to allow you to upload one of your favorite pictures, right? So after you download, or in this case you upload your image, because if you click here it is going to ask you to, you have a tutorial, but then you can ask you can upload your own picture. When you have your picture, you can place, or you can paste on your picture some dots, as I did here in my own resource. Okay, so I can go here and I can edit in order for you to see it how I did it. So I just post, or in this case I place a poster of a movie. In this case the movie was Luca. So if you can see here, I have different activities. In each icon I have different activities. So I'm going to show it, and here my students have to do different activities. I have my general instructions here. I have another instruction here, like the second activity. It is like a podcast where I gave some instructions to my students. And here I have my first activity. Here I have a video, so they can watch this video and they are going to review, because this is a review about the topic that we are learning. So here we have another activity like a quiz, and here we have another activity like in this case they are going to create a comic using that topic. And at the end I share with them this poster. So this is something that they can do, and that is going to be easy for them. So how to create it? You just paste here elementos interactivos, interactive elements. You choose the icons that you want, you place them here. Imagine that I want this icon, so I just place what I want. I can check here and add some of these tools, and then I just write the instructions, and I paste the links that I need to share with them, and that's it. That is the remix. In this case I have videos, podcasts, pictures, cooperative work, individual work, the evaluation, and one message for them. I hope you enjoy it, and I invite you to create your own.